Hello, welcome to another English video. In this video, we will talk about using a, an, and one before sentences and nouns. Before nouns, we use a if a word begins with a consonant. For example, a book, a bag, and we use an if a word begins with a vowel. For example, an apple, an ice cream. So the vowels are A, E, I, O, U. But there are some exceptions to this rule. If the word or the noun phrase begins with a vowel, but begins with a consonant sound, then we use a. It's best to memorize these words, but let's look. So it's a word that begins or starts with a vowel, but begins with a consonant sound, like this, for example, university. University. You can really hear the N in this word, so you don't say an university, you say a university, because the sound is a consonant sound. Let's look at another example. European. European. It's a because European has a consonant sound. A European car. Let's look at another example. One parent family. Here it has a consonant sound, so we say a one-parent family, not an one-parent family. So when we use an, we use it with words that start with a vowel, but we also use an with words that begin with the silent letter H. For example, an hour, an honest child, an honor. However, hospital has a pronounced H, so it's a hospital, because you pronounce the H. Good. Okay, so what about one? When do we use one to talk about things? We use one rather than a and an if we want to emphasize that we are talking about only one thing or one person. So we use one when we are talking about one thing or one person. We also use it before a singular countable noun, a singular countable noun. For example, we will be in Australia for 1 year. That means one thing, 1 year. Can you wait for me for 1 minute? So here we use 1 in front of 1 minute to mean one thing. You can also say, do you want 1 sandwich or 2? Here to mean a singular thing. Okay, I hope this video has helped you to understand the difference between one and a in articles in English. Good luck with your English.